Jesus our Lord.
What
makes people to tarry in the room of prayer? When some people get to a place of prayer, what is going to will not be meaningful to him. There are some people in a place of prayer, but his mind is in Abeokuta. We can do two things at a time. Number two, that makes you tarry in the place of prayer. Once you get to a place of prayer, he will be wandering about in the vicinity of prayer, but such a person won't pray. He will be feared that he's going to the mountain, but he'll be wandering about, walking aimlessly. May your prayers be answered. Well done. Well done. May we benefit from prayers. Hope you are not cold in the night. It starts working in the time of prayers. It is a spirit. It is a destiny destroyer. They will be saying it's the place of prayer at home. But what is going through is not secret about it. There are some people in the room of prayer. He will be dipping into questionable things. What daddy addressed yesterday and we're laughing. That man, he came around 4 p.m. and he tried to stupor. He too tried to. He tried to stupor. He said he's drunk. He be feared and started to the mountain. When he got there, he went to where they're selling dry gin and took it. I said, where is he? He said he has been tied. He was like, this one is much better than someone that is insane. You tied him, he said, yes, we have to do that to him. This spirit in this man's body. Some people go to a place of prayer. They will be busy making up for them, meant to ask them out. It's rubbing powder. Master, you want to speak to God. You want to destroy bad things. You want to go to the next level. It must be, you have to wrestle spiritually. This captivity, there is a captivity that will use wisdom to immerse you into. There is captivity of sexual intercourse. There is captivity of food. There is captivity of birth. Somebody was born without eyes. He was born into that captivity. The captivity was born into. He was born as a blind man. There is inherited captivity. Jeremiah 35. He inherited it. There is captivity, of course. Psalm 137. By the rivers of Babylon, here we sat. We went when we remember Zion. Àwọn tó kọ́ wa nígbèkùn wọ́n bèrè lọ́wọ́ wa. Àwọn tó ní wá lára wọ́n bèrè eré ìdárayá. Ẹ̀kọ́ ni tẹ́ ẹ̀ máa kọ́ fọ́lọ́ fún wa. A ṣe máa kọrin Olúwa fọ́ọ̀sà. Jerusalem tí mo bá gbàgbé rẹ̀. There is captivity of negative utterances.
America ó lò 30 years.
A woman traveled to America and was there for 30 years. She came up with 30 years.
30 years.
30 years in America.
But ó dé bá àwọn ọmọ only ọmọ bíbá kó tó lọ.
But she had children here before she traveled.
Close to 70 years.
Close to 70 years of age.
But nígbà tó dé ó máa ń sọ ìbò gan.
She used to blow grammar.
Ó wá tẹ̀lé mi.
She followed me.
Àwa di Ọlọ́nkọ́lé.
We went to Ọlọ́nkọ́lé.
Àwa ń gbàdúrà.
We were praying there.
À ń gbàdúrà.
We were praying.
Bó wá ní.
I said.
Ìgbèkùn ọ̀rọ̀.
Captivity of war is the battle you're fighting. She said, yeah, it is true. Someone caused you the day you traveled. She said it's true. When she begat a child, she was working as housemaid. The first of that woman in America took her out of the country. She said, so you cannot take any of your siblings out of the country. You want to take my housemaid. She told her mom she's more easy than my younger ones. They are not working. I need somebody that will babysit my baby. She said no. And I know that I will take her by force. When she was leaving,
Mama sọ fún pé.
The mommy told her.
Ebi tó o bá mú nǹkan bọ̀ ló rà bọ̀jẹ̀.
You can only give good account if you achieve your goals there.
Ọ̀yàwó.
She borrowed money. She came with a lady adults, I've told you 3 times. A man married her. She gave it 1 child for him. That one left her. Somebody to say every captivity that tries your life, the God of the apostles, she began just a child for that fellow. That fellow traveled out and he parted ways with her.
I
will just say, shall be well with you. We were praying. She was there. I saw the father of your child. God to the child that is not guilty of you. That is vindicated. She said, in what way? There is someone that you took out with. That is captivity of oath. You took out with him. That you marry. She said, oh, I was in the university there. It's been long. The father of 20 years. And I tried this up to 20 years of age right now. She says it's been long. When she had a matrimonial, she remembers she took her with one brother. That brother lives in America too. She called her brother. That one was married. One of her friends said, do you have this man? The man is still single and you're single. You dated him there. She remembered. Oh, they took her and they get married. They don't marry each other, they should remain single for life. Captivity of oath. You know sometimes love can be crazy. I pray under the captivity of oath where you're so. The God of the apostles bring you out. Captivity of oath. Sir. She collected the man's phone number from our former schoolmates. They began to converse. She said to him, you're still single? The man said yes. She said, I'm also married. Remember the oath we took during our school days? The man said, I've heard you. She later called the man. Another day she called. When will you come home?
I don't think I can come home.
She said, you are still a bachelor. He said, yes, I've heard you. She asked, okay, when do you want to get married?
I don't think I can get married for now.
I'm doing a
lot of things.
A lot of things. At the age of 54, I'll be 55. You are 54 years old or 55. This woman then was 64 years. She said to him, I disagree with you. Send invitation. Letter, let me come and meet you.
I'm gonna go to you. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna come. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna talk, man. I'm gonna go, man. I'm gonna buy, man. I'm gonna fuck your farm, man.
The man ended up after blowing chance of I got you out. Ever since then, what the man would just say is I got you. This woman's captivity, why? The man doesn't value married, and this woman, she's running out of age. What I'm saying happened 7 years ago. The woman should be 61 years old now. Look at the state of captivity. She will stand by the throne of judgment. I did spend a lifetime. She will say when I was about to get married, I made a covenant with someone. You are guilty of the covenant you made. She will be guilty of the wasted years. She will be guilty. Lift your hands. Shout. Every captivity I forced myself into. Every captivity compelled me to enter. My father.